How to see what links you have visited on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start the second time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Play Store. Tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the source bar. Now type Instagram. Now once you type it, simply tap on source icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Instagram and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now at the bottom right corner, click on your profile. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Again, scroll down. Now under how you use Instagram, simply tap on your activity. Now scroll down. Now under how you use Instagram, you will find an option for link history. Simply tap on it. Now here you can find all the links you have visited on Instagram. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.